because I like sanding. It's out of time. The materials you need is a plate and cotton and recycled newspaper and paper and scissor and markers and some tissues and a string and the tape and glue. That's how we will make it. First, we'll draw a cloud and then cut it out of the paper. Done drawing, then I will cut. I have a used paper, so we can draw a raindrop. I'll fold it so we can draw. It will be easy for us. Done cutting the raindrops on cloud. Now we'll just put it in the string. Now we're done pasting the raindrops in the string. Now we'll put the cotton in. You can see we put it alternately in the string. Then we'll connect it in the cloud. We'll cut it alternatively. Now we'll cut to make the sun ray. Now we're done cutting the sun. It's coloring time. Now we're done coloring. I didn't color this part because I'll put it behind the cloud. We're almost done. You'll just have to put the cotton in the cloud. We're almost done. We'll put an amount of glue. Then put the cotton like this. Now we're done putting the cotton in the cloud. It feels so soft. My thunder. I'll make it dry for a few minutes, then make my thunder. Now I'll make my thunder. I'll draw, then cut. Try it with the microphone. I'm done doing my thunder. Now I'll just have to glue it. Like this. We're done. Isn't it nice? Cool or beautiful or awesome? Thanks for watching my channel. Subscribe and click the bell. Bye. Thank you. I hope you like our video. If you want to see more videos, you should like, subscribe, and comment and ring